In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Q on YouTube Music. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along even if this is your first time using the app. First, open the YouTube Music app. Look for the red and white play button icon with a music note inside it on your phone or tablet. When it opens, you should land on the Home tab with sections like Mixed for You, Mood and Genres, and Recent Activity. If the app asks you to sign in, use your usual Google account. Then you will see your personalized music options appear across the screen. We ask next, play any song, album, or playlist. You can tap a suggestion on the Home tab, search for a song using the magnifying glass icon, or open your library to pick something you already like. When you tap a single song, it starts playing right away, and YouTube Music also prepares a few related tracks to follow it. If you tap an album or a playlist, it loads every track from that collection into the upcoming list in order. This is useful because whatever you start here becomes the base for the cue you are about to see. From there, look at the very bottom of the screen for the mini player bar and tap it to expand the full now playing screen. The mini player shows the current song title, artist name, and tiny controls like play or pause. When you tap anywhere on this bar, it should slide up and fill most of the screen. You will now see the album art large in the center, with a progress bar underneath, along with buttons for play, pause, skip forward, and skip back. At the top or bottom, depending on your device, you may also notice icons for shuffle or repeat. If nothing happens when you tap, check that a song is actually playing, since the mini player only appears once audio has started. After that, swipe upward on that tab to open your full queue, which shows every song that will play next. Position your finger near the area that lists the current song title, then drag your finger up in a smooth motion. You should see a panel slide up from the bottom, revealing a list of tracks in order, starting with what is playing now at the top, followed by upcoming songs below it. On many devices, the list scrolls, so you can drag up again to see more of what is coming later. This queue updates live, so if YouTube Music decides to add suggested songs after a playlist ends, those will appear at the bottom as well. A common beginner mistake is thinking that only the current song matters, but this queue list is what actually controls how YouTube Music moves from one track to the next. You have now opened and viewed your full play queue on YouTube Music, so you can always see what is coming up next. If this helped you take control of your upcoming songs, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple YouTube Music tips.